Justin Fakula here with the Hurdy Travel Podcast at Hyatt Place, Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. I got a corner room here, which seems to be a slight upgrade, or at least more room in the living room type area. We have the mini fridge, coffee maker, and a nice area over here for food prep or other purposes. Big sofa or couch area with a bit of a privacy divider here, and a desk area for laptop, and of course the My Vegas phone army. The king bed over here, bathroom area. It's this thing of no sliding door, just a little bit of a divider there. Going around here to another mirror area, the sink outside of the bathroom, and here the view. Some of downtown Bethlehem you may be able to see, but this is largely facing away from businesses and other places, but still quite a nice room here.